I welcome you all class 4 children. Today I am going to take up your first class of English. To start with, I am going to begin with the poem Sunday. Sunday is written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was a great poet. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature for his collection of poems Gitanjali. In this poem, he has mentioned a small child like you all who is talking about the days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week, and the child in the poem likes Sunday the most. You also must be liking Sunday. But see, all the days of the week are very important. This is what the message Rabindranath Tagore is giving us in this poem, that although Sunday is very refreshing, but all the days of the week are very important. I'll read out the poem for you. The weekdays come so fast and thick. Fast and thick? It's a phrase which means rapidly and in great numbers. The child, the speaker in the poem is saying the weekdays comes rapidly and they are great in numbers. How do they travel to reach so quick? I don't know how do they travel, but they come so fast, so early, so rapidly. But why Sunday takes so long behind the others trudging on? But Sunday comes after a long time. It must be walking slowly behind the weekdays. Trudging on means trudging, walking slowly. And the child is feeling it must be walking very slowly behind the weekdays. That is why it takes a long time to come. The weekdays are an unkind lot. According to the child, the weekdays are very unkind. Why the child is saying like that? See, the weekdays are not unkind, but in the weekdays we have a set schedule. We have a set schedule in the school as well as at home. You come to the school, we do a lot of constructive work in the school. You people do a lot of hard work. Sometimes the conditions are favorable for you, sometimes the conditions are not favorable. When the conditions are not favorable, you feel that it is unkind. But from everything we are learning, from every situation we are learning. So to go back home, they have no thought. The child is saying when we go home from the school, we have no thought. Why? Again, there is a fixed schedule for the evening also. You go home, you do your homework, you go to your classes, and you have nothing to do of your own choice. So child is saying there is no thought of planning anything. So the child is feeling all these weekdays are very boring, very dull. Why the child is feeling like that? The child is feeling like that because he cannot do anything of his own choice. But we are doing a lot of constructive work during the days. We are learning every day, whether in the school or at home or in the society. You are learning in each and every moment. But why is Sunday so pursued that she says half the time she should? Now the child is saying Sunday is so followed, Sunday is so awaited. We always wait for the Sunday, but we feel that it stays only for half of the time. What does it mean? How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. Can we say that Sunday is having only 12 hours? No. Why the child is saying it stays only for half of the time? Because there is a long list to be done. There are so many plannings you have made and you find the day time is very less on the day. So you feel that it only stays for half of the time. The weekdays come with such dull long faces. The weekdays are, according to again the child is comparing here. The child is saying weekdays are dull with unhappy expressions. No child can stand such airs and graces. The child feels that people say we are very important, but we are not important at all. But children, you believe it, you people are very important for us. You're very important for your parents. You're very important for all, and you are always welcomed in the school. You're always welcomed at home. Each and every day you're learning one thing or the other. You're doing a lot of hard work. You're learning each and every moment. But when at weekdays I get up this Sunday with her face lit up, but when the weekend comes, then there is a smile on faces. The child is saying when he gets up in the morning, there is a smile on his face. Why the smile on his face? Because it's a Sunday. Sunday we do have some liberties. We can do the work according to our own choice. But believe it, children, every day Every day we are learning something or the other. We are working so hard. We are doing productive work during the weekdays. That is why we gain knowledge, and the wisdom always gives you happiness. Because of that wisdom, you could be able to enjoy the Sunday also. So Sunday is very important, very refreshing, but all the days of the week are also equally important. So this is all about this poem. Now what do you need to do? You have to write it in the notebook and you have to learn it also. So good day. Bye for now.